The Curious Cat and the Moon. In a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills, there lived a small, curious cat named Milo. Milo was no ordinary cat. His eyes sparkled with questions about the world, and he loved to explore. Of all the things he saw, the moon fascinated him the most. Every night, Milo would sit on the rooftop, staring at the glowing orb in the sky. One evening, Milo decided he had to know more. "Why do you shine so brightly, moon?" he called out. To his surprise, the moon answered, "I shine because the sun lends me its light." "But why are you so curious, little cat?" "I want to understand the world," Milo replied. "Can I come closer to you?" The moon chuckled softly. "If you truly wish to visit, follow the path of moonlight." Milo looked down and saw a shimmering trail of light stretching across the hills. Without hesitation, he leapt down from the roof and began his journey. The path led him through quiet meadows, across bubbling streams, and into a magical forest where the trees glowed faintly silver. At the edge of the forest, Milo reached a tall, crystal staircase that seemed to touch the sky. It sparkled under the moonlight. "Climb up, little one," the moon called gently. Milo began to climb. Higher and higher he went, until the village looked like a tiny speck below. At last, he reached the top, where the moon waited with a kind smile. "You've come far, Milo," the moon said. "What is it you wish to know?" Milo hesitated, then asked, "Why do you stay so far away from us?" The moon sighed. "It's my duty to stay in the sky, watching over the earth. But my light reaches you, doesn't it? It's how I remind everyone that even in the dark, they are never alone." Milo thought about the moon's words. "Your light makes the night beautiful," he said. The moon's smile grew brighter. "And your curiosity makes the world brighter, Milo. Never stop exploring." With that, the moon gently sent Milo back down on a beam of soft light. When Milo returned to the village, he looked up at the moon with newfound appreciation. From that night on, Milo continued his adventures, but he always remembered the moon's wisdom. Even in the darkest times, there is always light.